A common problem we get calls about with O1 and O2 oarm systems is you're in the middle of a case, you go to take an x-ray image using your hand switch, you push the button and nothing happens. What do? Well, first of all, you're probably going to need to replace your hand switch. You can call Block Imaging and we can ship you a new one right away. But in the meantime, you still need to take that x-ray, and this little tip can help you get through the case without any further incident. These systems all come equipped with foot switches that don't often get used, and you may not even realize that it has one. However, if you go to the side of your MVS workstation, you'll notice there's a bracket holding the foot switch on the side. Simply unloop it, pull it out, flip the cover open, grab the green end, bring it back over to your IAS, line the red dot up with the top of the plug, and simply plug it in. And it's got the same 3 buttons as on your X-ray controller. The left button for your standard fluoro exposure, the middle button for 2D and 3D, and the right button will do all your save image functions. Used this way, it can help you get through the rest of the case until you can get a new hand switch for future use.